Check it.
What's up, guys? We're back from another video playing I think it's called Survey Servers. I can't even say it. Let's go on with the video playing, this game, Survey Servers. I'm just gonna call it that. Right, let's go. Come on, let's go. I wanna win this. And it's Halloween. It's been like, I haven't said that, sorry about that. And happy Halloween. It's been like 5 days, but tell me down below if you have went trick-or-treating or something. Something like that. I didn't went trick-or-treating. Too old for that. Yeah, but we're beating this girl. And just saying, I'm really good at this game. I've played it about for 1 year, this game, and I'm boss at it. Like, I'm really good at this game. Oh, that was close. I'm thinking to get a new video game and PC. I think it's called Trackmania. I don't think I can run mine, but I will try to play Trackmania, and tell me down below if other games. And I tried Fortnite, it did not work. I'm really sad about it. And I do have a good PC, but it's only for it can't do gaming, but it can do everything editing like mine. I'm doing editing and all like that. And join the Octopus Gamer and check my Snapchat. It's gonna be up right now. And check my Snapchat. It's not my Snapchat. My Twitter and my Instagram. And I really appreciate if you check that. Let's go. I'm really good at this game. I'm really good at this game. And I keep forgetting to say, 1,000 subscribers, we will do a giveaway. That was close, intense moment. And we will do a giveaway for £30. Yeah, I made it £30 giveaway. Tell your aunties and cousins to subscribe. And we will reach 1,000 subscribers. Wait, well, not 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers. Then we will do the £30 giveaway. I'm just telling you early. And if you really do, see in 2018, if we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will do £50 giveaway. We're doing this. Come on, everyone hit that subscribe button if you're new. And tell your cousins and aunties and everyone, because you could win £15, 50, like thingy, 50. And Christmas is coming up. I might do a giveaway for probably £5 giveaway. I don't know, but you have to hit that like button. Then we'll do the £5 giveaway. But everyone needs to like this video and subscribe. That was close. Oh, I'm really good. Oof. I don't know, I'm really good at this game. I'm like the beast. Ooh. And I had 0 coins, just saying. Ooh. Oh, I died. Okay, let's play one more match. Okay, let's go. Let's not double up. Let's go. Yeah, this is me. I don't know who this is, but yeah, one thing. Let's play the game. Wait. Let's do that. And tell me down below if you want to. I will hack this game. Hit that like button. Then This is just a tutorial, non-tutorial, just showing you guys to how to hack this game. And I don't think it's illegal, or I can put mods on it, mods in the game. Let's play. And let's use hoverboards. Let's use that. It's taking forever. Oh, that was close. Ooh. Let's go. Somebody's knocking somebody's downstairs, like shouting and everything. I have a busy house here. Like, it's messed up. Ooh. 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 It's always noisy, I don't know. Come on, let's go up. Swim. Come on, yes. And see, next week I might not talk in my videos because I'm gonna be really busy. A couple of months. I don't know why. I'm thinking I'm really busy because I'm going to parties, and not parties, but I might be busy, and I might just not make talking videos. But just hit that like button. Then if we get let's think. If we get 25 likes, I will talk every single video. There you go. But you have to like that button. Hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go. Come on. Oh no! Let's play one more match. Okay, let's not double up. Somebody's at my door. Not at my door, but people are like jumping around. And this would be a final match. This video might be 10 minutes. Come on, let's win this. Come on. Let's go. Come on. And definitely check Saurav Kral. He's a really good friend of mine. I don't think he makes videos, but he's really busy with exams. Yeah, and he will make videos, but don't forget to subscribe to his channel because he is my friend and everything, and he's really like good in making videos and everything. And I'm his friend. And tell me down below if you want a face reveal. We might do it in 1,000 subscribers when I do a giveaway. But I hit that bell button to get notified to my videos, and then you can watch my videos, and you'll be the first one to watch my videos and comment. I will reply to you guys, and if you comment down below, I'll be really happy, and I will give you a shout out if we reach 5 comments. We will shout people out. So go here. Okay, look at this. Do you see it? Oh, I don't think I have much memory. Can't even see it. I'm really bad at English. Just saying. I don't know. My English is terrible. I did went to school. Don't worry. But I'm still terrible at English. This is so scary. Okay, let's raise this last one. Listen, okay, I'm gonna close my eyes in 3, 2, 1. I have no clue where I'm going. Okay, I was closing my eyes. Don't worry. Come on, let's go. Oh no, we just lost. Come on. Who's this guy? Ooh. Let's go. Oh, okay. I might die. I'm gonna close my eyes again. This is gonna be... Oh, I don't want that. Okay, let's close my eyes in 3. I can't see it. Oh, we just died. Yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Just open the chest. Okay, that's not how much. And that's end of the video, guys. And yeah, take a look. See you. Bye, guys.